Hi, Sydel. This is your website analysis. I did the Google search Life Coach San Diego. And like most searches, it starts, well, actually, this wasn't like most searches because the Google setup for most searches is that at the top of the list are sponsored ads. But here there were Psychology Today, Nicole Weiss are the first of the organic search. Then they go into the Google Business Map Pack, which is tells you which businesses are in San Diego that are life coaches. Um, I searched and I did not find a Google Business profile for your business. So I recommend actually setting one up. A Google Business profile is free to set up on Google, and you can link your website to it, and that would go a long way in getting you seen in a Google search. So you're not in the Google Business Map Pack, and you're not on the first page of Life Coaches in San Diego. I looked at your website. I did a search for your name. Just what I was looking for was a Google business profile, and I was not able to find one, but I found Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and those are good. Those are all things that you can post on and link to your website, which would be very good. And I'm going to show you why in just a minute. Um, your website looks great. What I think you could do is actually put some meta tags on these photos, which have keywords, descriptions, and geotags, which would help tremendously on your SEO. Um, you should be. I'm going to show you your metrics. This is a great website. Looks good, has everything you need, and one other thing I might suggest is a blog. Is a blog to create content to add to your keywords, because as of right now, for your website, you don't have anything. There is no SEO here at all. Somebody's linking to your website somewhere, but it's not showing up in backlinks and referring domains. It might have been mentioned in an article, but that's why you have a URL score of zero point 0.7 at this point. Um, so there's a lot. There's a lot you could do. Let's go and look at who was. I did number two because Psychology Today is a list. Okay, and you can get on that list. Um, you can get on that list. That's it costs. I don't know if there might be therapists in themselves, but I did Nicole Weiss, and I looked at her website, and it's I don't think it's as good as yours, but she does have a blog, and with blogs, what that's able to do is create keywords in her metrics, and I'll show you her metrics. Okay, her DR rating is 5 and her UR rating is 2.6. That's not that high. The good part of this is it's within 5 increments of each other, and that is wonderful. She has 95 backlinks and 64 referring domains. You could be higher than that within months, just a few months. Her backlinks, I was looking at the strength of them, and the strongest one is basically a site that Good Therapy, and I don't know if you could get on that one, but it's got an 84 DR. There's others that you can that are stronger, and this would be very easy to beat in that regard. It would only take a little while. Also, She has 64 referring domains. That's kind of like list. You're not listed anywhere and nothing's linking back to your website. It's something that you need to have happen in order to be seen. Let's look at her keywords, okay? And I like to look at the ranks. Her coaching service agreement is ranking is causing her keyword ranking to be at number 2. These are all cumulative, okay? That's why she is able to get to the top of the list of Life Coach in San Diego. She's number 4 here in Life Coach San Diego, California. Life Coach San Diego Life Coach has a search of 70 a month. 70 a month, and it's very easy to rank for. It's a 0. This green box is called keyword difficulty, okay? And so she's ranking number 4. All of this is cumulative. And I don't remember how many it was. It was it's 140 keywords. Yeah, that would take a little while to get past, but if you can get these metrics up, you'll be right there next to her. So that's where it's at. A blog would help you get there quickly. Also, I could give you some tips on how to make that blog even more effective than Nicole's. And she's ranked number 2 in the top. And this is why it's important to be ranked at the top of Google. It's estimated that she gets 302 clicks on her website a month. And each click is valued at $447. That comes to $134,994 a month that her website is bringing in, as opposed to just being like a billboard in the desert. It's beautiful. You have a beautiful website, but nobody's seeing it. So my tips for you: first thing, Google Business Profile. Put pictures up there with that are meta tagged, that have keywords on them. You can also do frequently asked questions on your Google Business Profile. You can link it to your website. Those will create backlink profiles. In your social media, backlink to your website, okay? When you post, put your website in there. A few of them will let you do that. I think all of them. Instagram's a little bit more difficult, but Facebook and LinkedIn will let you link back to your website, and they're powerful. Anything you have on YouTube, link back to your website. In fact, this website analysis will be a backlink to your website, because I'm going to put your website on my YouTube channel and your information there as well. As far as your website goes, create a blog. And with your blog, you want to do links to your page. So you'll have a blog, and the words that you want to rank for, the keywords, and it takes a little research, but Life Coach San Diego, Life Coach in general, it'll have you showing up on the national search. But if you hyperlink that back to your homepage, maybe coaching with you, like your name, hyperlink back to Meet, and also link to maybe some very trustworthy life coach sites that may be government run, that oversee how it's run in the US and that kind of thing. But you want a circle of very trustworthy hyperlinks to your website from your blog, and that will create a lot more for you as far as keywords and backlinks. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be glad to help you. And also, let me know if you like this. That's important. I really want to know. Okay, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon, I am sure.